Okay, brother. Good morning, everyone. YouTube for some reason it's a little bit late. तो हमने लास्ट वही किया था प्लान एलिवेशन एंड सेक्शन. अभी इसका थोड़ा हैचिंग के बारे में बताता हूँ. I will show you how to hatch and all in this cross section. You can see it's a window and cross section of doors, and it is a bed concrete. So you can see bed concrete and side stone masonry. So okay, fine. Now I'm going to hatch this cross section. You can see here. I will select the hatch, enter. So the new window will appear here. Hatch creation. I will select the hatch section. You can see. I will select here this one in 365. Okay, you can see 1, 2, and 3. Then again I have select the hatching system. Hatch. Again I have select the hatch and AR concrete. Here I will select the concrete. So here you can see the concrete is not visible properly, like so. Now we can change the scaling. Then here it is a scale. You can I don't know is it properly visible or not. Decrease the scale, like I will give as 0.30. Enter. Oh, anything happen? No, nothing will be happen. So again I select concrete, select one. So I will increase here, say it as 5. Okay, see what happened. Concrete, select this one and pick the point, specify the point. Point 001. See what happened. I will give as 0.001. I don't know actually what's the scale exactly. 0.001. Enter. Now nothing will be changed. It's a small type here. You can see. I think I have to increase this. Say it as 100. Enter. Okay. Now not visible. $50. So 1 second guys, I don't know. I think I want to change my Autodesk 2022 2018. It got little bit stuck here, so I will change as 50. You can see this one also not visible. First I will change the scaling as say it as 25. So This also not visible. Again I have select the hatching, say it as 200. This one also properly not visible. So anyone have the idea of exact hatching, because properly not visible here. You can select 100. 100 also properly not visible, and say it as 50. 50 also properly not visible, and all the same, but say it as 1. 1 also not visible. So I will select here this one and give the scaling as 50. See what happened inside. Okay, if I give the 50, it's not visible. So I have select here, maybe say it as point 50. Okay, leave it. I think maybe some issue on concrete. So this one also fine. You can see here, and here also we will how to give the concrete. Then this is also fine. So here also you give the concrete, but due to some issue the concrete is not properly visible. You have to work on the scales with the correct scale. If I give 100 also, it's not properly visible. If I give 50 also not clearly visible, and you see 50 also not clearly visible. I think again I have to select the here hatching systems. So I check someone want to join or not. Okay, only someone sent request. No. Okay, fine. Guys, my voice is audible. I don't know, brother, what happened exactly in for concrete hatching. It's not properly visible. So sorry, brother. With this scale up. Okay, 1 second. That my laptop also got stuck like this, because you can see here 10 also not properly visible. Concrete, you can see again I have select hatching. 10 also there. 10 also not properly visible. Okay, you can leave it as blank. I will select the concrete. Again, guys, sorry for that. 10 also not properly visible, you can see. Oh, why 200 also not properly visible. Okay, we will discuss on the next class exactly what happened. I will shout out the issue, it's not any problem. So I will just give at like this one only, so for that you have get some idea. So okay, it's not an issue. So now I will go with dimensions first, so you can see how much is there. Mode 3. So first I will give the dimension here. Okay. One second, I will set the dimension scale first. Dimension style, so decimal and 0.00, that also fine. So text arrow symbol, I select here fixed length extension. Yeah, I show the dimension like this. Okay, then it's fine. Current on. Okay, fine. Now I go with dimensions. Click here 0.60, all are same 0.60 and 0.60. So again double enter this one, and Fine. Now here also I want to hatch like this one. Select hatch. Fine. Again enter. Then I will go with naming here. Here I will select the leader. Okay, fine. Bed concrete in CC. Means so 1:3:6. So this is completed. Then again I will go with shingle stone masonry SSM size stone masonry. So where is my cursor? SSM in again I have select the leader, and so it's called damp proof course. So I'll select here and make it as DPC. 1:3:6 the proportion to concrete, 100 mm thick. Yeah, fine. Then again I will go with leaders and say it as you can see here. It is a I will make it as granite flooring. Okay, then make it as the leader. Again select the leader, select the wall and 0.23, BBK, burnt brick masonry. One raised to 5 and RCC giant lintel, you can see here. So I'll make that naming here. Okay, then guys, I'm already sent one plan for you guys. You have to observe correctly. I have made all the dimensions for that particular plan. So don't actually the concrete will be visible, but if I give it one, that also not properly visible. Again one more time we'll try hatching. Then go with concrete. I have already given one, so if I select -50, what happened? See exactly. That also properly not visible. So okay, I will sort out the issue from next class. So what's the exact scaling and all. So I have give the dimensions, and again here one more, maybe someone on present now. Okay, it's not my issue guys. So I will select here and click the slab. For that you can see select the slab, then give it as RCC slab, RCC slab in cement concrete. The ratio is 1:2:4. You can see here, and the thickness of the slab is 150 mm thick. 150 mm thick. This one also fine. Then so I have to draw one more line for waterproof cement. So randomly I will draw here like this. It's not properly visible, so I will select the leader, select this one, and sorry guys, I will select the leader, this one, and go with ortho mode off, and here I will make it as waterproof cement. Waterproof cement 75 mm. Okay, since waterproof cement, you observe all the things here, you can see. Then it is a parapet wall. So for that, so you can see here leader, select this one, then parapet wall, BBM parapet wall 100 mm thick. Okay, fine. I have made all the dimensions here, you can observe that. Then we will go with next part regarding detailing and all. So okay, fine, this okay. Then anything left? Nothing will be left. So if you cut the cross section, maybe this two window will be visible right now, because you can see here you want to cut the section from this angle, after that you have to for that these two window will be visible from here. So I will draw the windows. Before drawing the windows, I will go with construction lines and draw like this. 1 second. Ortho on should be there. Make it as ortho on for straight lines. So construction line here. Take the first point here, enter. Again press enter for repeating the command. So for that you can see again. Then you can see here again. Fine. You can see guys, this is the final touch of the video. You can observe that. Then yes, you can see it's the size of the window. I will simply copy here from paste here because the size will be same. So I will delete these lines. You can see. Then you have to make some designs and all. It's fine. So before designing this window, I have simply copy here and select this point and drag it out. Copy and fine. Let's see. Look a little bit different now. Then oh, then I will go with those earth. Select the earth here because it's earth now. Fine, the hatching will be completed. So we'll name the dimensions. So it is a cross section. Then fine, this also fine, and make that some dimensions here. You can select the dimension point. Then this is the point and select this one also. Why this is not visible properly? Select here and simply drag it here and select the midpoint and click enter. Then again you have to go to here, select here and this point and click here and make it as midpoint. So after you can see all the dimensions are completed. Then again from ground level to print level 0.6, all are 0.6. Okay, fine. Again I will go with dimensions from print level to top of the slab 3 meter. You can see again I will go with the dimensions from here to Chedja 2.1 meter. Then size of the window I will show here because it will 0.98, maybe some mistake. It's 1 meter. You can see how much it is. You can see it's exactly 1 meter, and this one also exactly 1.2. So fine, it's clearly visible. So then its dimension is over and parapet walls also over. So then this one also same. After that you have to go with parapet walls from select here to here 1.2 meter. Fine, all the dimensions will be completed for cross section. Now you have to delete this line and select the text, make here and it says as A, and again copy this text from here to here, cross section from A like this. So I will select the text here. Yes, fine. Then again okay. So fine, this was also fine, and for that you have to name. Now I will go with naming and schedule of opening. Today's section I will go with namings only. So elevation of the building, elevation of the building, okay, fine. Then select here, again enter, then come to this point, then make it as plan or top view, anything will be fine. Plan elevation and section from AA. So I will select the text and copy from here and off or top, then here I will paste here, then select as section from AA, section from fine, completed. Almost all the things will be completed. I have to give the some dimensions. Before going to the dimension, I will make it as door window here and select this one, make it as D. This is fine, D is enough. Fine, again you have to select this D, set as door, copy here, then go with windows, select here, then window, enter. After that you have to copy here from select the window and copy here, here, from here to here. Okay, fine, this is a simple plan. You can see here plan, elevation and section of the building. So I will go with some center line plans. So I'll just move this little bit upward. So go with ortho on because it will look fine and well and good. So one second, I have select the whole plan and select move here. Yes. So again again I have to select one more text here. You can select here, then ortho off. It is a ground level, you have to say it as ground level. So name it as ground level, then copy here to here. It's better to mark as like this, then all good, looking also fine. So before going to the complete dimension, I'll show some dimensions here also. 4.96 is enough. Okay, then you can see here you have to give the dimension of the wall also, the how thickness of the wall and all. So again come here, outer to outer 7.96 and this is enough, 1.90. I will give all the dimensions and after that I have select the plan. So you can select here, then copy the plan from this to I will come here only for complete dimensioning purpose. So again I have to delete some dimensions, it is not required for me for complete dimensioning. Oh, it's fine for inner to inner, it's okay. Then I'll go with the I will change the by layers. Okay, I will change after. I will go with construction lines here, then I will go with midpoints, enter. Again repeat the command, go with midpoints, enter. So again repeat it by clicking the enter command. So you can see, you can observe the center line. So you have to draw the center line directly, but it's appear only not too much, appear only from this to this, but I want full center line. So where I select this center line plan. Okay, so again I will draw the one the rectangular. You can observe that I am also draw down rectangular for some center lines. I will delete this line, so you can see. Then again you have to draw one more center rectangular. It's just for a reference purpose, it's not required. Then you have to go with the trim. You can trim this line, trim here, then trim here. Okay, then delete this one. Then we can delete this line also because it's not required. It's okay, I am not trimmed here. Tr double enter, tr double enter, you can see. Then you have to trim this one, delete here, then again you have to delete here, you can see, again delete it, again delete this one also. So you have to select the line and change it as red. Yeah, red is enough because for giving the dimension, select here, give the red. Then you have to go to circle, make it as dash 2. Simply draw one circle like this. So after that you have to move the circle towards the end point, you can see. Then again you have to copy this one, copy or top. Then here you have to click, then select the circle and move like this, sorry, copy like this. Like I'm creating the grids. If someone using Revit, they can understand it a little bit easy to create a grid in Revit. So you can see I will name it as ABC and C. I will select the circle and copy here. I will select this point. Okay, you can understand why I am selecting this point. It's little easy. Okay guys, this is fine. Now I copy this circle, I have select this point. So here you can see how easy is this. So I will give the one, and again I have to do, sorry for that, yeah it's 2. I want to change the text. Then 3. So select this one, copy, select this point, then select here. Okay, grid is ready. Grid is ready now, and so I don't want this rectangular, I have deleted. So it's a center line plan. So naming also spending, right? So I have select this one and make it as here. What is inside the rooming? Veranda, rooms and hall. Yeah, that's fine. So let's set veranda first. Veranda. So first I will save the plan. So I want to share with you guys. So veranda, then you can click here, then click here also, here also. Where is my another veranda? Say it as a hall. Okay, based on that it is a hall, so I will name it as hall here. Yes, I want to change. Then it is a room. Okay, fine, it's a hall and room. Okay, fine, it's enough. So Same, I will copy here, copy from here to veranda. Where is my another veranda? Yeah, not an another veranda, guys. I'm just simply saying that. Select this one and select this one also. Copy. Select this point, and that's good. Again, go with the center line plans. Make a center line outer first. 7.46. Again, make it as like this from here to here, and you have to select this point from here to here. Fine, all visible now. Then again, 1 second, I will change it as by layers, and you can see again I will go with the dimension style. I will change something, modify here. By layer is cut, by block I will go with red, you can see, and let's enter current unit. Fine, it's changed now. It's look little bit different. So again you have to select this line from this to where is my center line. So I think it's not required. Okay, you will make it as dimension like this, 1.20. Before going the dimension, you can, okay, fine, first we will complete from the outside to outside. 4.70. Ortho always should be on before going to dimension. One second, I have to change here. You have to change first. You can see. Then from outer to outer, this one also I will give the outer to outer dimension. This also fine. I will just give it as outer to outer first. Then this one also fine, and all the, then okay. Can see how it's look. So maybe I want to change the dimension color. I think it's look little bit good now. So give it, I think this is little bit good. Yeah, fine. So for that, you have to select here 1.4 meter. I have selected one more option, but here it's not appearing. Modify, and you can see fixed length. So I want to change here as a 0. You can observe that you are not changing the 0, it will not appear properly. Set current. I think it's better to give the complete dimension, because that the kind will not get be confused for the dimension. If I am using the Revit, it will little bit easy, not little bit, completely easy for dimensioning purpose. You can observe that some dimensions. So I will focus on the focus from the inner side. You can see from here to here. Okay, don't get be confused by the inner side and outer side. Guys, you can see here. So now I have checked the some quality of sounds should be fine now. So I have completed all the dimensions. So you can see. So here it is something pending. You can see here. You can observe the pending things. 09. Okay, it's enough for 09 because those who constructed this building, like example I'm saying, they will give distance from the 09 here. Fine. So it's a final drawing. So we can make it as some submission drawings and final drawings and all. This is fine. Then again we'll make some room schedules for that purpose. What is the time now? Okay, it's already 11:30. So just something like I will create it's okay guys. So everyone knows now the room schedule and all. I will explain the room schedules and all in next class. So I have completed some syllabus like what I have seen in that particular video. First one is regarding the some basic plans, and one other is residential building, and one other one is uh, as a school building. It's your project, final project. You have to submit the project in time. I am already made a video in and uploaded the video YouTube also. You have to check. You will get the more information regarding that my final submission and drawing. Then one more thing is I have to complete two more webinars And first one is if possible I will conduct the webinar on tomorrow at the same time, maybe 10 or 10:30 onwards. Okay, and then the main thing is you have to focus on the some civil softwares, because I have attended a lot of webinars. They will focusing only the civil softwares, and they given job to those people who know the software. I am also working from as a freelancer now, so I will conduct the webinar. I am little bit free now, so you have to focus on the civil projects. And okay, so can see it is the our project. I will make some arrangements, because you will get more clear ideas regarding this one. So just give some minutes. Okay, I have select this plan and copy from here for arranging purpose. Okay, from this one also. Then I think this is okay, fine. If it's required or not required, it's not an issue. Oh, where is my plan? Chota sub plan. Then you have to move the cross sections, and you have to focus on the plan, elevation and cross section. You have to move here. Just say ortho is off. Then save. Okay, fine. This is fine. It's our final submission drawing. You have to make some drawings like this, and you will get a clear idea about the final submission of the sheet. I'm already shared one final submission of the drawing. You have to check that sheet. Those who attend the webinar, they know how to make the final submission drawing and all. So I will increase little bit. Then you can see here it is our final things. Again you have to draw the plan and name and all, company name, address and all you have to mention here. Okay, see what happened, any drawing is left or not. Okay, AutoCAD final project here. You can see how I made this scheduling, room schedule, first floor plan, elevation, drawing and all. We have you can see here opening, ventilation, windows, room schedule and all. You can see the final project. Okay, I am already shared the plan with you guys, so you can see the complete dimension, how I give the complete dimension and all. You can see I have worked with the number of layers, and also you can see here. So you can see how the concrete will appear. See what is the scale, 0.02. Okay, they given as 0.02 as a scale number, so you can see here. Then again go with layers. I have select the concrete. Here is the concrete. You have to select the concrete as see 0.02. So can click here. Now it's fine. The okay, now I will go with concrete here, and it's clearly visible now. You can see the concrete. Then give it as concrete here also. So concrete. Due to some variation and size, I'm not getting the concrete. Now it's perfectly fine, perfectly and looking good also, exact size. So here also it's not visible. fine here. So yeah, fine. In this webinar I will show the plan, cross section, detailing, elevation of the building you can see, and also the central line plan, how to make the windows, and it is one project what I made here. I will copy this section, I will complete that project also. So from here to here I will copy. So before you copying, select this one and go with the Control C, copy. It will copied from clipboard. Then again you have to come to this page, Control V is the paste. Where is the model? Control plus V, here you can see it's adjusted. So it is asking for the 2 point, so little bit hanging also. Okay, again I will paste here. Control plus V is the paste. Where is my paste? Yes, it is fine. Okay, okay, you have to adjust the sides. Now it's perfectly fine, perfectly fine. Okay, here you can observe that the plan, elevation and section of the building, and also a front. You have to change the text also, so I'll select here and make it as some one, enter. Think see what's happened, is it created or not? No. One, enter. Again it's not created. Select here, make it as one, enter. Okay, you have to delete this one, you have to select this one, make it as copy, auto off, enter, plan. So little bit I'm adjusting the little bit. Elevation of the building, section from the AA. So I will adjust here little bit because it will look little bit nice. So it is from the section, plan also ready. So I will make it as some adjustment here from here. So this is enough for elevation. Then it is the some little bit adjustment regarding the complete dimension here. Then it is a cross section, you can observe that. So don't know, we'll make some little bit adjustment for cross section. Fine, it is a cross section from A, you can see here. So I think it's not properly adjusted. I'll do one thing, I will make it little bit more here upward, from up to. So I have selected till this and move from here to here. It is fine. Now I will do one thing, I will select the plan here and I will adjust a little bit like this, and you can see it's again I want to adjust all the things. So you can see I want to delete this one. It's AutoCAD software. You can see the complete plan, elevation and section. And one more we left is a schedule of openings. Auto should be on. So I'm copying from here. Where is my project? Okay, simply because it will take a little bit more time, so Ctrl plus C is the copy, and again you come here, Ctrl plus V is the schedule of opening. Here you can see it is some unwanted things is there. Your door D1 also not there, so I'll delete here. It is not required for me. Where is the size of the door? 1.2 into 2.1 meter. Here I will change here 1.2 in 1.20 into 2.1 meter, and say it's as a door timbal. And the window, how much the windows here, it's all the same size. And what is the size of the 1.20 into, see what is the size of the windows 1.20 into, you have to see the 1.20 into 1 meter, 1.20 into 1.00 meter, 1.0 meter. See, so this is all unwanted things I want to remove here, and window is enough. So it's not required to show how many windows are there, not, it's unnecessary things. So here fine, then it's all unwanted things. I want to delete this completely, and this one also. So I will trim here, TR double enter. So TR double enter. So I just trim here and completely delete it. Fine, schedule of opening. This is the small schedule of the opening. You will get all the informations. So it's our final drawing. Says as today webinar. So thank you for watching, guys. Those who are watching or those who are quitted, it's not issue for me, and it's not affected by me, because I am improving my skill doing the webinar. So you have, if you want to improve your skill, you have to join, otherwise leave it. It's not an issue, so nothing will be happened. So if you are working with your project, you will get the knowledge and experience. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.